You'll look it.
Alright, Z06. Eric's starting to pull it apart. It's getting headers, stock cats, AWE cat back, and I think the Corsa cold air intake. So we got the bumper off, and he's starting to break into the exhaust system here. So see how it goes. Wasn't bad.
Nice, dude. It's just gonna kind of lay in there.
Yeah, we'll lift it out. Where do you want to go?
It's over here. Look at Calcaterra last night. I don't think. I don't even know if you.
Yeah, I mean,
there's some other.
there ain't enough balls going around to get him to touch it.
Well, they had that other tight end in there. Got a touch.
No, well, yeah, because he was since Van, whatever his name, got fucking smoked his Achilles again. He's definitely done for the season again. I think if that wouldn't have happened, fucking Carter would have just lined up and played.
Yeah, no kidding.
A series of events there. Alrighty then.
Alright, stop.
I put all those iced teas that were in the back in the fridge up here.
Okay, thanks.
Alright, Eric's getting the stock intake ripped out. Gonna go with a JLT like I said earlier. I think I'm gonna go unbox it and show it to you guys, see what it looks like. And what are the two sensors coming off the intake?
Two sensors.
O2 sensors?
I mean, they're just clipped on there. That's just
Oh, they're not connected to it?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, the O2 sensors don't go in the air intake.
I know. That's why I was like, what are you talking about? So that makes sense. Good to go. Alright, intake's free. I think, what are you going to move on to next? Trying to get the headers out?
Yep.
When headers are out, the exhaust is already out, and then we start putting things back in. This is what the headers look like outside the box. I think Eric's about to start working on it now. Good, you're good. All right. Eric has gotten one of the headers installed. Got everything else disconnected, everything out. Hasn't started this side yet. We'll do that next. I see. I've looked for about 5 minutes.
You spent 5 minutes looking, huh?
Maybe not 5.
I was gonna say that's a little aggressive.
Maybe like 1 minute.
I'm just gonna lay this down in there for now, and then I'll have to get it from underneath. 5 clamps. Look at them all. Told you.
Oh
Let's
my.
lay it out.
Yep. Wow. That's different. So there's going to be two
Look
of the...
at that. Check out these little mufflers. This thing's going to be loud as shit.
Is there anything in there? Or is it straight through?
I mean, it looks like there's like resonator pipe in there. Like, looks like a fucking cherry bomb.
Second muffler. Alright, here's the tips. Nice black finish, and they come with a lollipop. Alright, we're back. It's Monday. Eric's still working on the C8. He's got the cat back pretty much mounted all up. I think he's got to get everything even and level. It's a lot of different clamps and things to adjust. AWE should sound amazing. I think it looks pretty good. You can see the headers poking through. Got the exhaust tips and everything all aligned, looking good. Mufflers on, everything clamped and tightened. So that's probably it. We'll probably check back after everything's bolted up, do a startup video before and after, and then hit the dyno. There was also a clear cover that wasn't on. This is what it looks like final.
What situation?
Well, you know, I just followed the instructions and I ran this hose around the back of the blower when I could have just come straight up to one side and went into this intake.
Z06. Obviously can't tune these things yet, so this is factory tuned, whatever. This is just simply by bolting it on. Baseline 603, 421, which we thought was pretty high, but this thing obviously seems to run okay. This kid's brother also has one, and they race, and they're both bone stock. They're both brand new. He said this one seemed to be a lot faster than the other one. Who knows? Whatever. We did a JLT cold air intake, AWE catback instead of American Racing headers. It made 645, 455, so it picked up 42 horsepower and 34 foot-pounds of torque, which is pretty solid for just bolting it on and no tune. Other than that, it sounds pretty sick. Now it makes almost 650 to the tire.